The dual cable lower trap raise trains the traps, more specifically the lower trapezius through upward rotation. To set up, set the cables to the lowest setting and attach a D handle to either side. You can either hold onto the handle with your thumb over the end, or you can loop the fabric over your hand between your thumb and fingers. Next, take a small step back so that you're standing just behind the cables with your feet together. Lastly, point your thumbs toward the cables. For the action, on the concentric, raise your arms as high as comfortable and shrug inward and backward at the top. On the eccentric, lower the weight with control, allowing the cable to pull your shoulders down and away from your head. For proper alignment, tuck your chin to avoid hyperextending your neck, and aim to keep your elbows fixed and fairly straight.